So along with that, you need to look at biological and chemical weapons as well. Because when you talk about weapons of mass destruction, then you need to correlate with the combination of WMD. Right? And therefore, what all has happened? In 75, we brought in the ban through the Biological Weapons Convention. We brought in a ban outlawing the biological weapons. Right? In 97, you brought the chemical weapons ban. And along with that, you brought in the fissile material cutoff treaty as well. So these are all the mechanisms that now addresses the nuclear security aspect of it. Okay, and along with that, these are of course not related to the nuclear this thing, but these are all a process. Banning the anti-personnel mines or landmines, then cluster munitions. Guys are still using cluster munitions. You would have read in the paper in Iraq. I mean in Iran, but that was in 2010. And then, of course, they restart the nuclear weapons ban negotiations. And that starts off again in 2017. It's now come to a stage where the nuclear weapons need to be banned. 2/3 of the world agree on it. But the Security Council and people who already have nuclear weapons, they are not party to it. They don't want to talk about it. Okay, so that's where we stand. But the total ban on nuclear weapons is a treaty that's been agreed by majority of the members of the General Assembly. It's now opened up for signature, and 50 states sign it. They've signed it in 2020. It triggers the entry into force of the treaty, right? And the treaty now makes what's known as nuclear weapons is illegal in warfare and illegal under international law. There was a case that was taken up with the International Court of Justice. If a country's existence has an existential crisis and wants to use the nuclear weapon, then will it fall under this one? They refuse to address the problem. They have left it open. So this will give some moral happiness for some people, but in actual practice, nothing much has changed.